If you take a look at this picture over here, and hopefully you can see it well through the camera, you have an example of a before and after picture. What that means to say is, this picture on the left is an example of a woman that had extra fat and excess skin, and you can see it where it sags down by the thigh area and the extra rolls of fat that are here. The belly button becomes distorted, so it doesn't actually look like a normal belly button anymore. Oftentimes it looks like an upside down smiley face or even a upside down V. There's all different shapes to it. And sometimes we can see the rippling effect, which is the stretch marks, the loose skin that tells us that even if they were to go to lose the weight, that the skin itself will not shrink up and flatten. And so these patients are candidates for tummy tucks. They are not necessarily candidates for liposuction, because even if we were to remove the fat with liposuction, that extra skin doesn't have the capacity to shrink and flatten. It will actually sag a little bit more. So during a procedure where we make incisions very low down at the very bottom, we remove all this extra skin, we do liposuction to contour the fatty areas, and we create a brand new belly button. And the end result is exactly what you get on this picture on the right, which is a much flatter belly. In fact, in this picture, you can even see some of the outside edges of her stomach muscles. You can see she has a more well-defined curve to her waist, and her belly button looks very natural. The beautiful thing about this is what the patient will look like immediately. If she were to look in the mirror the very next day, this is what she sees. And what's even more nice about that is 5 days later, if she were to put on a bikini and sit by a pool, nobody would know she had a procedure done. And even more so, this is the greatest part of it. As every week goes by, the results get better and better and better. She gets trimmer, more flatter, more shapeler, and as time goes by, the results are just improved.